Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to do this. Gluing a photo onto a piece of wood. First thing you need is wood. I got some MDF at the store and they were nice enough to cut it to size. Then I painted it black. And I added this hook to hang onto the wall. Be careful to put the hook on the right side of the picture, whether it's horizontal or vertical, but that depends on your picture. If you're unable to find hooks like this, just drill a hole, it works just fine. Then I printed a photo slightly bigger than the piece of wood onto matte photo paper because matte photo paper is the GOAT, we all know this. By looking at the picture through the light source, I can see it through the paper. So I use this pencil to do some markings, and there we go. These tally marks will help me to put the piece of wood on the right spot and not getting any white borders or anything like it. That's also the reason the picture is slightly bigger than the piece of wood. But now I'm gonna use some glue. I decided to go for this. This is glue stick, the same you will find at the school supplies. If you want to try it with other type of glue, be my guest. More on that later. Now it's time to spread the glue onto the back side of the photo and then just put it at the right spot. There we go. After like 20 minutes, I will trim off the excess using my cutting mat and my X-Acto knife. Be careful not to cut yourself, this is a very sharp tool. And there we go, this is my picture glued onto this marvelous piece of wood. The fit and finish is pretty darn cool. I also tried this one, but this time I didn't use a hook, I used a simple hole on the back of the frame so it can hold up through a nail onto the wall. And yes, I also tried this huge photo, which is a A3 format, onto this bigger piece of wood, just using the same technique, but this time I used Elmer's glue with a paint roller. It was somehow easier to get it to stick, because the glue stick is not strong enough for big photos, but for smaller images, it's perfectly fine. And there we are, this is something I was able to do with stuff I bought at the local hardware store, and it will cost you close to nothing, really. And you know what? I think that if you are a photographer, you need to display your photos. Your photos need to be shown. They don't belong in a box. And that's a neat thing to do with only cheap stuff I got from the hardware store for less than 10 bucks. The total investment for all this ordeal? Less than 10. So you should do it if you want to. That's all I'll get for you today. As always, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Leave a like, comment down below and subscribe. See ya.